Hello.
Hello.
Today is 14 July 2022 and it has been raining for the past 8 days now in Hyderabad.
And we are all bound within our home.
Yes.
We are not able to go to outside.
Yes.
Yes.
It is very cold and within this 8 days, within this short period of 8 days, we received a very exciting news, which is NASA shows the deepest look of cosmos ever captured. We just got this news and these photos were published by Joe Biden, the president of USA. Baba, I have a question.
Yes.
Why are everyone so obsessed with this photo? What is so special about this photo out here?
It is very special, no doubt about it. And US President Joe Biden himself published this photograph just 2 days back from USA. And this photo is nothing but the view of our universe. Universe means Earth, Sun, Moon, Saturn, Jupiter, Comet, Andromeda galaxy, other galaxies together. Everything really together we can tell this is our universe. And this is the picture, left hand side picture. Actually, this is the picture of our universe which was published just 2 days back from USA. And it was published originally by NASA. And this photograph was taken by one very powerful telescope of the day. I will tell most powerful telescope. The name of the telescope is James Webb telescope. And this picture was clicked by that telescope. And interestingly, why it is so special? Because probably first time we have got the excellent view of our universe. And this was possible only by the most powerful telescope in this world currently existing. Name of the telescope is James Webb telescope. Normally we know if any telescope is there. Suppose this is our telescope, right? This telescope will be placed on the ground and will be looking from the eyepiece. After opening this window, we'll be looking through eyepiece and we'll be able to see what is there in the sky. This is our telescope, and this telescope has to be placed on the ground. But James Webb telescope is very special telescope, where this telescope will be placed in the space itself. Okay, by a rocket, this telescope was placed into space nearly 6 months back, and the distance between this telescope and Earth is 10 lakhs mile. How much?
10 lakh miles.
10 lakhs mile. That's the distance from this telescope from the Earth. Huge distance. What is the distance from Moon to Earth? Any idea? From our Moon to Earth, what is the distance?
Probably 3 miles. 3 lakh miles.
3 lakhs miles, absolutely. Nearly around 3 lakhs mile. It is just less than 3 lakhs mile. And this is 10 lakhs mile. 3 times more. So if our moon is situated probably x distance, this telescope is placed in the space 3x distance, right? And why so long distance? Because that this telescope is very sensitive telescope, James Webb telescope. But before that, we must know who is James Webb. Am I right?
Yes.
James Webb telescope, most powerful telescope of this world, is named in the name of James Webb. James Webb was really, I will tell, great scientist, administrator of NASA from 1960 to 1968. And this is the remarkable time for USA space history, NASA, because in this time, this 8-9 years time only, Apollo mission was planned. And Apollo mission, we know, Apollo mission targeted that man will be landed on moon surface. And it was happened really in 1969 when Apollo 11, that spacecraft landed on moon. with three really human. It has landed on moon. It was 1969, and that this great personality of the science, I will tell, James Webb, he only masterminded this project, Apollo mission. I think with deepest regard on him, and in his honor, the telescope, now the most powerful telescope of this universe, on this date was named after James Webb. So he is the James Webb, you understand, okay? But why this so long distance, 10 lakhs mile from Earth? Because this telescope is very, very sensitive, and this telescope antenna will be capturing the light from very faint light or very faint signal. It will be capturing within itself, and afterwards this signal will be converted into photograph and will be sent to Earth, so that we could see the photograph of the universe. But if the Earth, Moon, this Sun, if those are very nearer to this telescope, Earth will be emitting light, because from Sun, Earth is getting light always, and those lights are being reflected again back to the universe. Same case because of Moon also. So Moon, Earth, Sun, all are really reflecting light in this universe. And if this telescope is very near to Earth, Sun or Moon, those lights will be disturbing in the function of this telescope. Image will not be very, very clearer, okay, because other lights will be disturbing. For this reason, this telescope was put far, far away from Earth, and so that whatever picture we'll be getting with this telescope, that will be flawless picture. So that was the reason this is so special about this James Webb telescope. But before James Webb telescope, we must understand another telescope also is in the limelight. 1990, that particular telescope, I can show you a model, okay. If this is James Webb telescope, suppose, and this is called Hubble telescope. Hubble telescope was also launched by NASA in 1990 in the universe. And but the size of Hubble telescope is 1/3 than James Webb telescope. So James Webb telescope size is 3 times more than Hubble telescope. In that way also, James Webb telescope is much powerful than Hubble telescope. And Hubble telescope was placed just, I will tell, 350 kilometer above from the Earth. I will tell that 300 miles above from the Earth's surface, where James Webb telescope is 10 lakhs mile away from Earth's surface. Much higher distance James Webb telescope is placed. But Hubble also did a wonderful job last 33 years. It clicked a lot of photos of galaxies, universe, and really it has sent to Earth, and we are able to see a different view of our universe through Hubble. But now the time has come. We need more picture. We need to understand the universe in a bigger way, in a larger way. So James Webb will be playing this role definitely. And James Webb telescope sent the first photograph, which was published just 2 days back from USA, NASA. And that's the view of the universe. The paper clip just we have shown. And in that paper clip, if you see clearly, there will be a picture of a lot of galaxies, lot of nebulas. All the pictures will be there. Actually, right hand side photo, above right hand side, this is the picture which was published by Joe Biden just 2 days back. So this is all about James Webb telescope, and this is all about Hubble telescope. And do you know who is Hubble?
I have heard the name, but
Yes.
I don't know him very nicely.
Yes, Hubble was also a great scientist, lover of space. Just 100 years back, Hubble made a wonderful telescope. The name of Hubble's telescope was Hooker telescope. 100 years back in 1923, Hubble with his Hooker telescope looked the sky, and while looking, Hubble observed a cloudy patch in the sky. That is our nearest galaxy, Andromeda. Actually, whatever stars, Jupiter, Saturn, Moon, satellite, Sun, Sirius, all other constellation we are seeing, comets, whatever we are seeing in our naked eyes, those are really part of our galaxy. Okay, those are part of our galaxy. Our galaxy name is Milky Way, and after this Milky Way, space is very, very empty. After long distance, another Milky Way is there, and our nearest Milky Way is Andromeda galaxy. So thousands and lakhs and crores of galaxies here is there in our universe. So Hubble was the person who looked first galaxy apart from our own galaxy in this universe. So this is Hubble telescope and this is James Webb telescope, and this is very, very powerful telescope, the most powerful telescope in this universe now, I must tell. So that's why this is very, very significant, and through this James Webb telescope we'll be getting wonderful pictures of the universe. We have already started getting, and I can tell that you may ask me question, Baba, what will be happening to see all the images? Am I right?
Yes. What is the addition which we are getting by looking at these images?
I will tell you, just be amazed by the creation of this universe. Okay, there is a poem, Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, how I wonder what you are, right?
Yes.
So there is a poem, and Rabindranath Tagore also told in his poem in Bengali, Mahabishwe Mahakashe Mahakal Majhe Ami eka mano bhethaye bishwaye bhromi bishwaye. Okay, so in this universe we are so tiny, but we are having the courage, okay, to really probe the universe and understand the galaxies, what is happening in the universe. A lot of hundreds of galaxies around us, and here we are very, very tiny existence in the universe, and we are enjoying the beauty of universe. And James Webb has given us the opportunity to see the universe in much, much bigger way, in infinity of universe, test of universe. This is the telescope. It has given us the opportunity. That's why James Webb telescope is so significant. And in future, I am sure after 50 years maybe, the way I am explaining to you, you will be explaining also, son. Maybe another powerful telescope will be launched in the universe. Again, we'll be knowing much, much more about universe. It is infinity. We don't know fully about the universe, but we want to know it, okay? This is the journey, and this is the fun. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.